On this episode,
how much are your boots?
Can I try it on?
Yes,
first?
of course. Hey, show me some love. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, MsTaffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase out the new deals year round, whether that's at a yard sale, estate sale, Goodwill bins, anywhere. We buy anything for low and sell it for high. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new and you're part of the Candy Crew, thank you. Today, we gonna try to get that money. We getting that money. That's all we doing. And I'm gonna show you how I get that money, how I sell stuff, all that good stuff. So let's have some fun, learn some stuff. Shimon. Shimon. Let's see what this yard sale got. I'm in the middle of the street though. Oh my God. How much are your boots? Yes. $3?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
so I paid $3 for the boots and they should sell for around 40 bucks.
And thank y'all for all the support y'all been giving me. If y'all enjoying the videos, continue hitting that like button and turn on that bell so you could be notified whenever I post.
Use the right lane.
Let's continue to grow.
Francis Avenue.
Let's go. All right, Candy Crew. Now we're going to sell this Panasonic video camera. It's quite vintage. I believe I got this from my friend's auntie for 10 bucks. I'm going to sell it right now for 80 bucks. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Hello. Open the camera. I was sitting right here in the car.
Yeah. Cool. Can I check it out?
I don't know if it's charged though. That's the only thing.
Oh, okay. But your battery works?
Yes.
Cool.
Because I was watching some old films on it.
Jesus Christ. Big one.
Yeah.
Cool. And comes with some tapes?
Yes. There should be something right here.
Okay.
Right there.
Let's see. Now I can buy another battery. This is family camera?
I go to estate sales and stuff like that.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
I feel like a doofus right now. Do you mind if you see
Let me see. We gotta press this button down. I think it's one of these.
Oh.
The lock's in there.
Cool. Let me see. If it doesn't turn on, it's all good.
Okay. But it's two batteries right there.
With 2 batteries?
Cool.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. And then we're good on 80?
Yes, that's
Perfect.
fine. All right. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Have a great day.
You too.
The next day.
All right, y'all. So it's winter time, and we're about to sell this coat. It's a vintage coat. I had it for some time. I paid $5 for it. So let's get it out of here. And I bought multiple jackets just in case he doesn't like this one. I got a backup for him. Just want to make sure we get that money. Hello. I brought a few of them. Huh? Oh, and listen, Team Prius. I love them.
Love it.
Yes. Really?
I drove 2 hours because it was a good deal.
Yes. Right now it's hard to get cars. Everything
So
is
hard. Can I try it on?
Yes, of
first?
course.
Oh, so you have a store?
Basically, I go to estate sales and I get stuff and I put it online.
Estate sale.
All over.
Like meaning like when people pass away.
Or yeah, are they selling their home or stuff like that nature.
Wait, so isn't it?
It's zipped up. You gotta unzip it. Yeah.
This is so cool.
Yeah. You going
I like
snowing?
I like to snowboard.
Oh, okay.
I love vintage stuff.
Oh, okay.
It's not like super. I can tell it's not going to be like super warm.
I have another. This one's kind of puffier though.
The sun is right in the face. Do you care if we go over here?
That's
so
fine.
I can look at the
No,
reflection?
that's fine.
But I get it, but I just want to see. I think it's perfect fit.
But I have this one that's a little bigger, but it's more puffy that you're talking about.
Ooh,
This one is it's a triple goose.
Okay. And it's got a little. Wow, this is so cool. That's really cool. I love it.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh my gosh.
You go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, thank you. Have a great day. Nice meeting you as well. Candy Crew. What's the deal, y'all? It's an early Saturday morning. Before we go to yard sales, y'all, I played the lottery. Let's see if we won. You know, I'm all about taking chances. If not, back to work on Tuesday, and we still hitting up some yard sales. Oh, sorry. Ticket is not a winner. Let's check the other one. Another one I didn't win.
Oh, don't cry. Are you?
Let me see. I won $1, y'all. I got $1. I got $1. I got $1. Hey, 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 hey.
I am rich, bitch.
All right, that's $1. We can invest that $1. True, y'all know me. I can turn that $1 into what? You never know. 50, 100. All right. So, look who joined us.
Good morning.
Can y'all see her? It's the glare. Hold on. We're gonna drive up a little bit. Got my Dukes in the car.
Going on, Candy Crew? Good morning. It's cold and chilly, but we woke up this morning.
Yeah. So it looks like we got to go to the yard sale still. I just still didn't win a lottery. One day.
But at least we'll continue to put it out in that atmosphere.
Yes, manifest it.
Yes, exactly.
Manifest it. We're gonna hit this lottery. Manifest it. All right, Candy Crew. Good morning.
I am no clothes expert, so you guys don't judge me in the comments.
How much are your jackets? Okay. Question. Can you do these 2 for $8?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What kind of jersey? Was that a jersey?
Yeah.
What kind is it? Oh, for someone's football. Okay.
Yeah, just it's a Puma one.
Okay.
Do
And how much is the jersey? Okay, I'll get that too. Oh, I just saw the hole. I didn't realize it was that big. I'll just
it's fine.
Sorry about that.
Let me go get your change.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Then I spotted another Patagonia jacket, so I had to grab that as well.
How much is this one? Okay. All right, I have these 3 now.
8 and then 5.
Okay.
So now that I have 3 items, my total is $13. So I gave her 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay.
I immediately realized she gave me $12 back. I'm like, this is too much money.
I think you gave me too much back.
Oh. Isn't it 12? It's 8.
8 plus 7. I mean 8 plus. How much you charge me for all 3?
5. 8 and 5.
That's 12. So $7. You gave me $12.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. I'm gonna be honest.
I'm a little
Overwhelmed.
all over the place, yeah.
Thank you. Have a good one.
But wait, there's more. Hang on to your seat, baby.
So I ended up leaving, but I turned around because I realized, like, hey, let me go get this crew neck. It looked like it's valuable. I couldn't find any listed comps, but I knew I had to get it. So since I couldn't find any comps, I asked her to go down from 5 to 3. Let's see what she says. Ma'am, can you do 3 on this one?
Ooh. I thought I just gave her the money back. You said 5? Here you go.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
No bag?
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
All right, Candy Crew. Y'all see that she obviously gave me more money. What would y'all have done? Would y'all have told her, or just took the money and left, and like, you know, just left? Because when I got the money back, I was like, wait, I think she gave me more back. So, you know, I'm like a nice person. I wouldn't want nobody to do that to me. So I was like, let me tell her. So now I realized like I forgot that crew neck I wanted. So I went back. She wanted 5 for it. I said, could you do 3? No. Dang, I thought I just gave your money back, girl. Shoot, dang, show me some love. Cause you just gave me $12 back and my order was $13. So I'm supposed to get $7 back. But it's okay. I guess that's how the cookie crumbled.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
This is the crew neck that I couldn't get a discount for. Would y'all have got it for $3? Comment down below, let me know. It's sick to me, very sick, and I like it. And it's a new day, and we're running a few errands. I gotta go to Best Buy. I got pickups to do for the channel. Y'all know I love making this content for y'all, and I'm just trying to enhance it the best way I can. So I'm adding some new stuff to our inventory, some new cameras, mics, all that good stuff. All right, Shimon?
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a...
All right, Candy Crew, I'm so dedicated to making this great content for you guys. I invested more into the channel, and by that I mean I bought some more equipment. Right now I'm recording on a Sony ZV-1. It's cool, but the battery dies so fast, guys. So I wanted something better. So I got, drum roll please, the Sony ZV-E10. I got this, and I got an additional lens for it. So I want the wide angle. The E15. Y'all, so the content about to be even more fire in my opinion. And you know what's funny, I was gonna get the GoPro 11. I currently have the GoPro 9, and I hit up Art of Resale. If y'all not following him, make sure y'all follow him, the Art of Resale. I hit him up, and I was like, hey, he mentioned his GoPro dying. I'm like, time for a new one. He like, nah, look into this camera. Y'all, guess which camera I got? I didn't go with the GoPro 11. I went with the Insta360, y'all. Y'all, this thing's a beast. I'm going hard for the channel. So I appreciate the love y'all showing. If you can, share this video. I'm investing into the channel. As y'all can see, we going to the top, and it's Vlogmas. So I'm gonna try to do more videos, at least 2 a week. I'm gonna try. Fingers crossed. Don't forget, y'all, I'm full-time employed. I work 10 hours a day, and I'm off for a few days. So I'm giving as much as I can. And you know what? Let's make this work. Yes. You guys, I just thought about it. I done spent all that money. I'm broke now.